Hello everyone and welcome to this video guys. In this video, I'll be telling you about how to make a perfect resume for Google Jobs. I know a lot of people ask me the question, how you have made a resume, what format you have used, what is page setup, what is margin, how to add table in resume. There are hell lot of questions what people ask me, and in this video, I'll tell you A to Z from pinpoint exactly how to make a resume. So I need at least of your 10 to 15 minutes. If you have 10 to 15 minutes, please go ahead and watch this video, guys, because by end of this video, you'll be making resume like this, right? So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing is what you have to use is don't use any fancy thing like Canva, blah, blah, nothing. I'm using a blank page from Google Docs. Always make sure that you use Google products more than a Microsoft, because in a lot of institute and organization and companies, Google products are used more compared to the Microsoft. It's a balance of both, but I prefer Google Docs. So first thing is you have to click on the blank page of Google Docs. So the blank page will get opened. So here you can see that there is a lot of space which they have taken over here. Even in the bottom, you can see there are a lot of spaces which have taken. The first thing is what you have to do is you have to click on the file, go to page setup. Once you open the page setup, click on margins and make this all 0.5. Bottom also will make 0.5. Left also will make 0.5. And right also will make 0.5. Okay, I'll tell you why I'm making this, because once you do this margin, once you reduce the margin, you'll get a lot of space to add the details, right? That is the major point why I'm doing this. Okay, first thing is what you'll do is we'll write our name. I'll bring this to the center. Okay, then write your mail ID. Okay, and then put this line. This is more important. Give a space and put a line. Then write your contact number. And then add your LinkedIn profile. I'll tell you exact method how to add LinkedIn profiles. First, write LINKD LinkedIn. Okay, and copy a hyperlink, insert a hyperlink over here. Okay, what you have to do is go here, click on insert link, and go to your LinkedIn profile and copy this link and paste it over here. Click on apply. So what will happen is once you download this format in the PDF, so the person can directly jump into your LinkedIn profile, right? So we have built the foundation of our resume, guys. This is a foundation. So what you can do is we can keep the name a little bigger. Okay, 13 is the size. What we'll do, we'll make it bold, and all this text will keep it as 10. Okay, so the foundation is done. So now what we are supposed to do is, because we want a resume to be there in one page like this, so we'll insert a table over here. Click on insert, click on table, and we'll click these two things, and then we'll drag it to down. Okay, we are taken this page, the table till down, then we'll set this things little. Okay, so I'll tell you a trick in this also. What you can do is once you put a table again, it looks little this thing, right? Because you're adding a table into your resume. No, guys, I'll tell you how to do is click on this margin and make the color into white. Again, click on this margin, make the color into white. Click on this margin also, make the color into white. And you come down, click on this margin and make the color into white. Right? So you have an imaginary table, but this looks more clear, right? And this is the one liner which shows that you're starting your resume things. Okay, so we are done with our foundation now for our resume. So I'll just bring back those margin because it will be easy for my understanding. Once I'm completed with everything, then again I'll remove these three margins. Okay, this is for your understanding so that you understand where exactly to put the text and everything. Okay, so the first thing, we'll start from this side and then we'll come to this side. Okay, so first thing what I'll add is, because I already made a resume, so directly, because I want to save your time also, it shouldn't be a time consuming for you guys also, I'll directly add. So what you have to make is, first you have to add your education. Okay, I'll explain you what it is and how you're supposed to do also. Okay, don't worry. So click over here, education. Okay, First, write your education over here. Okay, put it in a bold and make sure that the size is one extra. It's 11 and this should be 10. 10 and 9. It's up to you. Okay, I'll make this as 10. Okay, okay. So it shows, I think 9 should be good. Yeah. So right here, university name, I'm at university, what you have done, MBA in HR Analytics 2024. Okay. Then you come down, click on enter, and then write your bachelor's. Okay. Again, I'll copy it over here. Um, your college name, ABCD College, you did Bachelor's of Business Management. This GRED means you have graduated. You have graduated in May 2022 at a percentile of 80.83%. Again, guys, if your percentage is below 70, don't put it in a resume. If your percentage is above 70, only then prefer to put it in a resume. Okay. Okay. You have put your graduation, then put your 11th and 12th. Okay. Again, it's the same formatting. 11th and 12th, you have done College of Commerce, intermediate commerce, intermediate with 12th. Again, graduated in May 2018 and with a percentage of 82.83. Okay. Then you were in a school. Okay. You have completed the education column over here. You can see I started with Amity University. Then I included my bachelor's, then my 11th and 12th, and your schooling, right? So once you're done with this, we'll hop over to skills, what exactly skills you're supposed to add. So majorly when it comes to data analytics or talking about data analytics, the major skills which we look after, I mean, people, the recruiter look after is about Python, SQL, decision making, and those kind of skills. So again, just to save your time, I will directly copy these things and paste it over here. So I'll tell you why exactly I have mentioned these types of skills. Communication. Communication is most important when it comes to data analytics, SQL, Python, decision making, and data management. Because data analytics or data world is not just about technical skills. It's a mixture of both technical as well as management skills, right? So you have mentioned your education, you have mentioned your skills. Then next, what we'll do is we'll go ahead with the languages. How many languages you know? Okay, these are the languages, what I know: English, Hindi, Kannada, Konkani, Marathi. Then again, I'll come down. Okay, these are my kind of interests when I don't do anything like digital marketing, teaching, geopolitics, and learning about stock market, right? And apart from that, what else you can add is your achievements. Okay, yeah. Awarded the best employee at Boeing and third rank in college graduation, right? Okay, so we had done our 50% of our resume. We started with our education. We included all the education. Then we hopped over to skills. So these were the basics. Make sure that you mention at least 5 skills because those are very important. So I mentioned my top 5 or 6 skills. Then languages, how many languages I know and what all interests I have. Digital marketing, teaching, geopolitics, stock market, and apart from that, what are my achievements, right? So 50% of your resume things are done. Then what you'll do is we'll go ahead with your experience or a project work, what you have done. So basically, even again, while mentioning your project, always make sure that by how you are done, by what percentage there is an impact on what you have done exactly, right? So majorly over here I have 2 projects what I've done which are totally related to the data analytics. So again, I'll not waste much of the time and directly copy it over here. So again, what you can do is just put a heading mentioning it as a project and just copy it over here. So I'll just align few things. Yeah, this looks good. So even in the project, what you can do first, start with heading a project, then what exactly the project is about, and always make sure to mention 5 pointers about the project, right? What you have done, like segmented customer data, generated business insights, created visual reports, and proposed data background and recommendation, right? This is one project, and I'll put another project. Yeah, this is my second project. This was about sales forecasting and predictive analyzing project. Again, there are 5 pointers, and I clearly said how I done, what I had done, and by what percentage there was an impact on this project, right? So these are the 2 projects which I completed. Then once you're done with that, always make sure to mention a coursework, right? Because the problem is I think 80 to 90%, at least I'll take it as a 70% students will not be from data analytics background, or they might be from BBA, BCom, some other courses, and they have transitioned their career into data analytics. So coursework becomes very important when you transition your career into some other field which is not related to a degree. So always make sure to mention your coursework in the meaning what all courses you have done which are related to the data analytics, right? So majorly over here, I have done Udemy, Microsoft Excel from beginner to advanced. Then I mentioned a small pointer, what exactly I've learned from that. Then Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. I recommend everyone to take up the certificate. If you are not taken it, please go ahead, guys. It's there on Coursera. You can avail this. Right, you learn about A to Z about basic about data analytics. Apart from that, I have learned about Power BI and business intelligence. Right. So almost we are completed with your resume. Let me do a few of the alignment things over here. Always make sure that check the font size. For example, this should be 9. Everything is 9. Yeah. All the text are in the 9. Yeah. Headings are in the 10. Right. That's correct. Now we'll remove this weird margins. Take out this. Let me take out this also. And over here. Oh yeah. That's a perfect resume for Google Data Analytics job profile. It's very clear, crisp. It has everything in that, starting from beginning to advanced. You mentioned about your education, you mentioned about your projects, what you have done, skills, languages, how many, and this looks more clear, right? Where you have mentioned everything, and either you're taking 2 pages, it's everything is done in 1 pages. You're mentioning your education, also you're mentioning your project work, you're mentioning about interest, skills, how many languages you know, what all achievements you have done, and apart from that your coursework also, right? So this is a kind of a resume which I have showcased to you, because this is uh, by using this type of format, I think I have cracked all my jobs, all my internships, being to the Airbus and everywhere. And this was the one resume and the formatting what I use. So guys, please do let me know if you have any suggestion, if you want to give any extra add-on to this. And please, if you have any doubts, please reach out to me. I have given a link in the description box below. You can just fill the Google forms and let me know, and definitely I'll help you out with your resumes and your career growth. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.